Unlocking the power of muscle memory in language learning. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of learning: muscle memory. This isn't just about sports or playing an instrument. It's also a key player in mastering a new language. Let's explore how muscle memory can help you become fluent in English. Muscle memory is a form of procedural memory that involves consolidating a specific motor task into memory through repetition. When a movement is repeated over time, a long-term muscle memory is created for that task, eventually allowing it to be performed without conscious effort. This phenomenon is not just limited to physical tasks. It also applies to language learning, from the movement of your mouth to the process of constructing sentences. When learning a new language, muscle memory can be your secret weapon. It helps in pronunciation. Consistent practice shapes the muscles in your mouth to produce sounds that are not present in your first language. Grammar and syntax. Through regular speaking and writing exercises, the patterns of the language can become second nature. Typing and writing. Regularly writing or typing in the new language can improve your ability to communicate effectively and quickly. Developing muscle memory for language learning involves a few key practices. 1. Repetition. Repeat phrases and sentences to help your mouth and brain remember them. 2. Listening and mimicking. Listen to native speakers and try to mimic their pronunciation and rhythm. 3. Practice, practice, practice. Engage in speaking, reading, and writing in English as much as possible. Speak aloud. Even when studying alone, speak the words out loud. Use it or lose it. Make a habit of using English in your daily life. Get physical. Pair physical actions with words to help your brain connect the two. Muscle memory can be a powerful tool in your language learning arsenal. By understanding and utilizing this concept, you can make your journey to fluency in English more efficient and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and soon, speaking English will feel as natural as riding a bike. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you on your language learning journey.